Imagine yourself under the vast night sky when, suddenly, it lights up with vibrant colors, dancing as if conducted by an invisible orchestra. This spectacle, known as the Northern and Southern Lights, is one of nature's most stunning shows. But what's really happening here? Today, we'll dive into the mysterious world of the auroras. To understand the auroras, we need to start with a journey of 93 million miles straight to our central star, the Sun. The Sun is a constantly boiling nuclear furnace where giant storms and explosions, known as coronal mass ejections, hurl billions of tons of charged particles into space, the solar wind. When these charged particles travel through space and reach Earth, they encounter an obstacle, our planet's magnetic field, a kind of protective shield that deflects most of the particles. However, the magnetic field is weaker at the poles, allowing some of these particles to enter the atmosphere. As they penetrate the Earth's atmosphere, these charged particles collide with oxygen and nitrogen molecules. Each collision is like a tiny spark, but when billions of these sparks occur simultaneously, they create a spectacle of light visible from the ground, the auroras. These lights are not just beautiful, they are also a natural laboratory for studying the interactions between the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. The color of the auroras depends on the altitude of the collision and the type of molecule hit. Oxygen, at higher altitudes, around 200 to 300 kilometers above the Earth, produces the rare auroral red, while at lower altitudes, about 100 kilometers, it produces the characteristic green. Nitrogen, on the other hand, can add shades of blue, purple, and even pink to the displays. But the auroras are not exclusive to Earth. Other planets in our solar system that have magnetic fields and atmospheres also display their own versions of auroras. Observations of auroras on planets like Jupiter and Saturn provide scientists with valuable information about their atmospheres, magnetic fields, and, by extension, more insights into the universal processes governing these luminous phenomena. So, as we look up at the night sky in search of these dances of light, we are actually witnessing the ongoing interaction between our planet and the vast and dynamic space around it. The auroras are a stunning reminder of the connection between Earth and the cosmos, a bridge of light that unites the sky and the Earth. While science helps us understand what causes the auroras, it's their unparalleled beauty that truly captures our imagination. Each auroral display is unique, and the variety of shapes they can take is truly spectacular. Let's explore some of the most fascinating types. The curtain auroras, with their ripples and folds, resemble celestial fabrics being gently swayed by the wind. This type is characterized by parallel lines that seem to flow and move across the sky, creating the impression of undulating curtains illuminated by a mysterious light. Auroral arcs form smooth lines that can stretch for hundreds of miles, arching over the horizon. They can remain static for a long time before suddenly transforming into more complex shapes. The elegant simplicity of auroral arcs offers a peaceful contrast to the exuberance of other forms. Sometimes, auroras manifest as vertical rays, which look like luminous brushstrokes extending straight up from the ground to the sky. These rays can create a cathedral effect, with columns of light that evoke the grandeur of imposing pillars. When viewed directly from below, auroras can form what is known as an auroral crown. These formations occur when the rays of light seem to converge towards a single point above the observer, creating a spectacularly radiant effect, as if a twinkling crown were adorning the night sky. Some auroras exhibit a pulsating behavior, where patches of light brighten and fade in an almost breath-like rhythm. This type of aurora can create a sense of cosmic communication, as if the lights were trying to convey a message through their rhythmic pattern of glowing and dimming. The colors of the auroras also tell a story, varying due to the composition of the Earth's atmosphere and the altitude at which the particles collide. The vibrant green, the most common color, arises from collisions with oxygen about 100 kilometers above the Earth. Shades of pink and red appear at higher altitudes, while blue and the rare violet are the result of interactions with nitrogen. Witnessing any of these types of auroras is a transformative experience, a direct connection with the invisible forces that shape our world. Each display is a reminder of the eternal dance between Earth and the cosmos, a spectacle of lights that transcends understanding and touches the heart. Dreaming of witnessing this wonder? Your best chances are at the magnetic poles, in places like Alaska, Canada, Norway, and Iceland for the Northern Lights, and Antarctica and New Zealand for the Southern Lights. The months from September to March are ideal, thanks to the long polar nights. Moreover, a clear sky and minimal artificial light are essential for a clear view. The auroras have fascinated humanity for millennia, shrouded in mythology and legends. To the Vikings, they were luminous bridges to the gods. The indigenous peoples of North America saw them as the spirits of their ancestors. These stories reflect not just the beauty of the auroras but also the profound impact they have on our culture and imagination. The auroras have fascinated humanity for millennia, shrouded in mythology and legends. To the Vikings, they were luminous bridges to the gods. The indigenous peoples of North America saw them as the spirits of their ancestors. These stories reflect not just the beauty of the auroras but also the profound impact they have on our culture and imagination. The quest to understand the auroras goes beyond our mere admiration for their beauty. It's a journey of discovery where each light in the sky is a clue about the mysteries of the universe. Over the last centuries, humanity has made significant advancements in the research and exploration of auroras, transforming what was once considered magic into a robust science. At the heart of this research is the interaction between the Sun and the Earth. To unravel these secrets, scientists use a range of tools and technologies, from ground-based observatories in remote locations near the poles to satellites equipped with advanced instruments orbiting the Earth. One of the most ambitious projects is NASA's Themis mission, time history of events and macroscale interactions during substorms. Launched to study auroral substorms, sudden intensifications that make the auroras brighter, the Themis mission helps scientists better understand how magnetic storms are triggered. Beyond the study of auroras themselves, this research has significant practical implications. The solar storms that generate the auroras can also affect satellites, power grids, and communications worldwide. Understanding these phenomena is crucial for protecting our infrastructure and technology. As we move forward, the combination of ground-based observations, satellite data, and computational simulations opens new frontiers in aurora research. Each discovery brings us a step closer to understanding not just this dazzling light show, but also the fundamental forces shaping our space environment. Thus, the research and exploration of the auroras are not just about admiring their beauty. They are an invitation to explore the unknown, to ask questions and seek answers about the world around us and beyond. It's a continuous journey of curiosity, innovation, and discovery, illuminated by the very lights we seek to understand. As we marvel at the beauty of the auroras, it's crucial to remember the importance of protecting our environment. Climate change threatens not just our planet, but also the delicate balance that allows phenomena like the auroras to occur. By taking steps to reduce our carbon footprint, we help preserve these natural spectacles for future generations. The auroras are a reminder of the incredible beauty of our planet and the universe beyond it. They connect us with the vastness of the cosmos, showing that even in the darkest moments, light and color can emerge in surprising and spectacular ways. Auroras are not just a phenomenon to be observed but an experience to be felt, a spectacle that touches the soul and expands our perception of what's possible. As we gaze up at the sky, awestruck by the dances of light, we're reminded of the need to take care of this unique planet we call home, ensuring that future generations can also witness the wonders of the mysterious world of auroras. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the dancing lights of the sky. May curiosity and fascination with the wonders of the universe continue to inspire your quest for knowledge and understanding. Until the next celestial adventure.